Contact after-sales personnel to obtain the installation package. Double-click the installation package to open it. Double-click Cloud Printing Client International. Click Next. Click Install. Click Finish. Select the required language. Click About on the Analyzer interface to view the serial number. Click Edit to enter the serial number. Click Add to save. Select the serial number. Click Search Refresh. Select the records to be printed. Click Print. Click Edit to enter the hospital name. Click Add to save. Now you can select the already entered hospital name. Click Edit to enter the doctor's name. Click Add to save. Now you can directly select the already entered doctor's name. Click Print.